Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can screenshot your videos on CapCut PC and export it as like an image. So I'm just going to select this video, for instance, and I want to screenshot like, let's say, this part. So I'm just going to freeze frame it so it's easier. Then select the three lines, export still frame, and you're just going to rename it. And then here you can change the format to either PNG or JPEG. You can change the file path here. Also, you can change the resolution. You can also import the image into your CapCut project. So just select export and it's going to be saved into your file path, and it's also going to be imported here, as you can see. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.